If you have never heard of bitter melon before, you are not alone. It is also known as Goya, but in this country, sugar is king and anything described as being bitter is quickly passed over. There are many health benefits of this gourd that is grown in Asia, the Caribbean, and Africa. When you find out what it can do, you may want to consider at least taking a supplement, if you really can't take anything that is not a sweet treat. Here are 11 areas of health that bitter melon can help improve. 1. Diabetes. Eating bitter melon can help lower your blood glucose levels, if you already have type 2 diabetes, or even prevent it if it runs in your family. A study that was conducted in 2011 showed that consuming 2,000 milligrams of this melon every day lowered the fructosamine levels in participants. It also helped to reduce insulin resistance for those with type 1 and type 2 diabetes. It is recommended that you do not stop taking your diabetic medication before you consult your doctor. 2. Prevents osteoporosis. Bitter melon consists of calcium and plenty of vitamin K, both of which are important for healthy bones. It has been found to reduce your chances of getting osteoporosis as well. The vitamin K also serves as an anti-inflammatory and can ease the pain generated by arthritis. 3. Vision health. One thing bitter melon has going for it is that it can provide about a third of the recommended daily dose of vitamin A. This vitamin is recognized for its proven effectiveness it has on the health of your vision. It can improve your eyes as you age, reduce the progress of macular degeneration, and help with your night vision. 4. Liver health. Drinking 1 cup of juice from a bitter melon every day can help detoxify your liver, reduce your level of fluids, and aid in the function of your gallbladder. The hepatic qualities that a bitter melon contains helps your liver filter through the impurities in your body, clean the impurities, and rid your body of the toxins that can be harmful to your liver. 5. Inflammation. Its properties as an anti-inflammatory already help bitter melon relieve chronic pain. Chinese medicine cites bitter melon, and other bitter foods, in removing unnecessary heat in the body. The resulting cooling feeling can help to calm the heart as well as cut down on feelings of anger. 6. Kills cancer. A study that was conducted at the University of Colorado proved that the juice of the bitter melon was able to kill the cells of pancreatic cancer. The growth of the tumors were reduced by 60%. The best part is there were no negative side effects from this treatment. Traditional treatments, such as radiation and chemotherapy, leave the body tired and weak as well as leaving the patient nauseous, and usually with a complete loss of hair. 7. Weight loss. The bitter melon doesn't have very many calories in it, but it does deliver important vitamins and nutrients. It has been shown to rid the body of excess fatty tissue. As it does with type 2 diabetes, the juice of the bitter melon helps with insulin resistance and blood glucose levels. Both of those things help your body from storing sugar, and will help you to lose weight. 8. Boosts immune system. When you increase your intake of bitter melon juice and fruit, you will be helping to improve your immune system. When your immune system is strong, it will help prevent you from getting every single cold or illness that goes around. If you do end up catching a cold, your stronger immune system will help you get over it much quicker. 9. Kidney stones. Kidney stones are a painful condition that occur when your body chemistry is too acidic. Gritty little stones accumulate, and are difficult to pass, often requiring a special procedure to break them down so they can be urinated out of your body. The bitter melon helps to break down the kidney stones and helps to cut down on the acid that created the stones in the first place. 10. Reduces cholesterol. The juice of the bitter melon has been proven to reduce high cholesterol levels. When you have high cholesterol, you are leaving yourself open to heart disease, the chance of having a heart attack, and the chances of having a stroke. 11. Purifies blood. If you drink a glass of bitter melon juice with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice in it every day for 6 months, you will feel and look better than you have in a long time. Your blood will be purified and your skin will be radiant. How to use bitter melon. Healthy adults should not exceed 2 ounces of bitter melon a day. Larger quantities will cause abdominal pain and diarrhea. Children under 18, Pregnant women and people taking insulin or hypoglycemic medication should not use bitter melon unless under strict medical supervision. Ingredients: 1 bitter melon, 3 apples, 2 celery stalks, 1 cucumber, 1 lemon. You can find bitter melon in most Asian or health food markets. Instructions: 1. Wash produce well. 2. Cut the bitter melon in length side to scoop out seeds and flesh. 3. Decore apples. 4. Chop ingredients, making sure to leave the peel intact. 5. Add salt and honey to taste. 6. Juice and enjoy.